Hey everyone, imagine building a YouTube channel that gets thousands of views every single day without spending any money, without a camera, and with zero editing skills. Sound like a dream? It's not. It's the reality of AI in 2025. Today, I am going to share 7 completely free AI tools that can help you build a YouTube automation channel from scratch. If you're starting from absolute zero, just like I did, stick around for the next few minutes because this is going to change everything for you. First up, the foundation of every successful channel, ChatGPT. It's tool number 1. Just open it up and type a simple prompt, something like, write a viral YouTube short script about the future of AI in Arabic. Make sure it has a strong hook, 5 key points, and a call to action. And boom, in just a few seconds, you have a complete, ready-to-use script. It's totally free and an absolute game changer. Next, tool number 2 is ElevenLabs. This is where you bring your script to life. Copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it into ElevenLabs. You can choose from a bunch of super realistic voices. If you're targeting an Arabic audience, you could pick a voice like Adam or Salma for a perfect Egyptian accent. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters every month, which is more than enough for about 10 long videos. The quality is incredible. It sounds like a professional radio host. Now for tool number 3, Pictory.ai. This is where the magic really happens. Paste your script into Pictory, and it automatically creates a full video for you. It finds relevant stock footage, adds subtitles, and even puts in background music. As a new user, you get 3 free videos, each up to 10 minutes long. It's the perfect way for a beginner to create high-quality content without any editing experience. Tool number 4 is a fantastic alternative, CapCut Web. Just upload the audio file you created with ElevenLabs, and CapCut AI will automatically find and add relevant footage and smooth transitions. The best part, it offers unlimited free exports for videos up to 15 minutes long. It handles Arabic text flawlessly and can even help you generate an eye-catching thumbnail. Moving on to tool number 5, Vidnoz Ai. This is for those of you who want a presenter in your video without showing your face. You can create videos with realistic AI avatars that speak Arabic. Just paste your text and the avatar will deliver it just like a real person. The free plan offers 1 to 2 minutes of video, which is absolutely perfect for creating viral shorts. For your thumbnails and channel art, tool number 6 is Canva AI. Head over to Canva's Magic Studio and type a prompt like, create a viral YouTube thumbnail for a video about free AI tools in Arabic. In seconds, you'll have a professional-looking design ready to go. You can create unlimited designs for free. And finally, tool number 7, VidIQ. This is crucial for getting your videos seen. VidIQ helps you analyze trends and find the best keywords for your titles and descriptions. You can search for a topic like AI in Egypt and discover the exact search terms people are using. The free version gives you everything you need to start optimizing your videos and driving views. So there you have it. With these 7 free tools, you can easily pump out 10 or more videos every single week and watch your subscriber count skyrocket. You can start this entire process today. Begin with a script from ChatGPT, then create a video with Pictory, just like the one you're watching now. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips. Let me know in the comments below which one of these tools are you going to try first. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.